In manufacturing industries, where precision, efficiency, and reliability are crucial, challenges arise in minimizing downtime, collecting performance data, efficiently handling reactive and preventive maintenance, managing critical spares, and controlling costs. Introducing DreamzCMMS, an enterprise product suite that incorporates cutting-edge tools and technologies like IoT, AI, enterprise mobility, and cloud technology, seamlessly integrating them with a computerized maintenance management process. Our system presents an expansive range of features, ensuring an extensive end-to-end solution, specifically designed to cater to the diverse requirements of businesses operating in the manufacturing sector. With DreamzCMMS, you can keep track of asset components, warranty, documents, purchase information, installation, and commissioning details. Additionally, the system lets you schedule asset depreciations and get asset valuation in real time, which helps in understanding total cost of ownership in detail. Also, generate unique barcodes and QR codes automatically for each recorded asset in order to provide easy identification to details. This feature enables technicians to view information, raise requests, and track work order progress or access maintenance logs whenever needed. Additionally, our RFID can be employed for flawless automatic tracking. Efficient work order management is crucial for smooth operations. DreamzCMMS allows instant work order scheduling, automating assignments to field workers, and sending reminders for top-notch maintenance. Additionally, with our work order calendar, you can always stay up to date with task assignments for your workforce and optimize workload more efficiently. Furthermore, employees or automated systems, such as sensors, can identify maintenance needs and submit work requests. Your employees can also create work orders directly by sending WhatsApp text or voice recordings in different languages. They can also tag specific assets while reporting, so that it becomes easier for technicians to identify what needs to be done. These work requests can be manually processed by a supervisor or automatically handled by DreamzCMMS Workflow Automation AI Engine. The AI engine autonomously assigns or informs it to the suitable technician or team as per predefined process. Make the most with DreamzCMMS's custom checklists, which offers numerous built-in standard templates for immediate use in equipment maintenance, allowing maintenance teams to conduct routine inspections, cleaning and lubrication, and repair works as per prescribed procedures, reducing the risk of equipment breakdowns. Additionally, our AI engine lets you effortlessly create any checklist by simply explaining your requirements, generating the entire checklist within seconds. Ensuring proper and timely maintenance is essential, so with DreamzCMMS, you can create preventive schedules and define parameters to assign them to technicians and send reminders to ensure maintenance takes place seamlessly. Enhance your operations further by integrating IoT sensors into your machinery for real-time asset monitoring, leading to condition-based maintenance, predictive maintenance, and rapid identification of service issues. Leveraging the data captured within DreamzCMMS by sensors, you can extract valuable insights, identify trends, and get predictive analytics for maintenance needs. Our system monitors inventory levels and sends automatic restock alerts, helping manufacturing companies to maintain accurate spare parts and materials inventory for equipment maintenance. This ensures timely availability of the right components, reducing downtime due to delays in obtaining critical parts. Moreover, streamline your entire purchase order workflow, covering department-wise purchase request creation, RFQ, price comparison, price book, receipt, return, and invoice generation. Additionally, consider DreamzCMMS's smart meter solution for real-time energy monitoring, providing insights into energy requirements and consumption at both business and individual asset levels. This facilitates improved power management for your entire production line. DreamzCMMS derives its strength from robust analytics and reporting capabilities. Key metrics like MTBF offers a comprehensive view of your production hours, aiding in the prevention of costly breakdowns, when coupled with maintenance strategies like failure codes, root cause analysis, and additional metrics such as MTTR. This information facilitates the development of preventive maintenance, enhancing reliability by addressing issues before they escalate into failures. With its robust suite of functionalities, DreamzCMMS stands as a versatile tool capable of addressing the unique challenges and demands of every manufacturing operation. What are you waiting for? Embrace the future with DreamzCMMS, experiencing cutting-edge technology and automated workflows with AI-powered operations. Contact us today, and let's revolutionize your operations together.